So we all know the story of how I was permanently banned from Walmart. They said if I ever went back in the store, then they would arrest me for trespassing, and so I tried it, and they did. And I don't blame them. They had every right to ban me from their store. But all Walmarts across the world? So I got out of prison, and I stayed sober, and I was doing good, but I was shopping at Buy Low, and it was expensive. So one day I went to Walmart with my dad, and I was like, if I get arrested, please bail me out of jail. And I asked to speak to a manager, and I asked them for permission to shop in their store again, and they said yeah. So fast forward a few years. I'm doing my shopping, I'm scanning my groceries, I get out to the car, and I realize that the sodas in the bottom, I have not paid for them. And I got away with it. I was free to go. But my conscience would not let me drive away with those sodas, and I went back in the store and paid for them, and the lady looked at me like I was crazy. But that's one story when I obeyed the law.